Hello, friends. In this video, I would like to discuss with you about current economic situation in Canada and how I see it actually very similar to the situation in US this time versus the last time in 2008, where US went, into depression, but its real estate industry suffered a lot versus Canada's real estate, which didn't suffer much. This time, I think it's a bit different, where I see actually a recession coming not just uh, in US but also in Canada, and which I think will actually have a drastic effect on real estate industry in Canada as well. How why I see it this time to be similar to US is mostly because of the reasons which are leading to this situation, right, which are similar to US. So primarily there are two reasons, which is one reason, as you know, in 2020 when COVID hit, Canada also printed uh, money, which amount in the around 300 plus billion dollars, which is actually a significant currency amount of currency circulating in Canadian market. This, as you all know, led to increase in house prices and many other things. And as of now, Canadian inflation is around, I believe, 5.7, and this has never been the case before. So this time Canada is in a similar boat as US, where it's seeing a very high inflation rate, right, because of currency being printed. Second reason why I see Canada being similar to US is in, this time is basically the other reason which is said is affecting inflation is uh, the war, right? A war between Russia and Ukraine. And I see the situation uh, in Canada being similar to US, right, in that aspect as well. So I don't think Canada can avoid recession this time, and it will go into recession. Now the question is, will the house prices decrease or not? My understanding right now is basically the debt to income ratio in Canada is actually more than that compared to US, right? So in US, debt to income ratio, I don't have the exact figures, but it's still low as compared to Canada, which means that in Canada, many people will default, right? And that will lead to recession. And what I see happening is definitely there will be a drastic house price correction in coming in Canada as well, right? So in case, what I would advise to potential investors is, in case we are looking to buy a house, it's best to kind of wait right now, and maybe not even like it this particular time. The recession can last till 2024 as per some estimates. So I would say wait for another 1 year or so before you go all in and buy a house for investment purposes. Because if you would see the chart of US real estate, right, when the house prices plummeted in 2008, in order to for them to recover to the same price which was seen in a prior time, right, it almost took the houses a time of around 8 to 9 years, right? So ideally, if you are not buying a house to stay or and it's mostly for investment purposes, and you are looking to have a return in say 4 or 5 years, now is not the right time. You should ideally wait and say buy it in 1 year, a six to 1 year time frame or so. Yep, that's it from mine. Thank you.